Hi, I'm Charlie from Welland Power, and today we're going to unwrap this 4016 Perkins engine. This 4016-61TRG engine is a turbocharged 16-cylinder air-to-water charge-cooled diesel engine that produces in its most powerful form nearly 3,000 horsepower. Right, let's get it unwrapped. This 4-stroke direct injection engine's huge 16 cylinders are arranged in a 60-degree V form. With a 160mm bore and a 190mm stroke, the total engine displacement is 61.123 litres. Combined with 4 huge turbochargers, enables this engine to deliver the power. It's got a 13:1 compression ratio, and viewed from the flywheel end, the flywheel rotates anti-clockwise. The total lubricating capacity of this model is 237 litres or 62.7 US gallons, and depending on its configuration, the radiator can be either temperate or tropical, with up to 215 litres of engine coolant.